2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.